Hello friends, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna learn about animals. Are you ready? Let's go! First, here's our fluffy friend, the sheep. Very cool! Do you know that the sheep have excellent memories? You can remember up to 50 different faces of other sheep and humans. Wow! That is very cool. Alright, let's put the sheep over here. And next we have zebra. Wow! Did you know that every zebra has a unique pattern of stripes? Just like human fingerprints. No two zebras are alike. I didn't know that. That is very cool. Alright, let's put the zebra over here. And now, say hello to our friend, the bear. Hello, bear. Did you know that bears have an incredible sense of smell? Even better than dogs. They can detect food from miles away. Wow, that's very strong. Alright, let's put the bear over here. Alright, and now we have the pig. Hello, pig. You know that pigs are very intelligent and can learn tricks just like dogs? Yeah, that's true. Pigs also love to roll in the mud. It helps them to cool off and protect their skin from the sun. That is very cool. Alright, let's put the pig here. Cool. And now, please say hello to our friend, the frog. Hello, frog. Did you know that frogs absorb water through their skin? So they don't need to drink with their mouth. That is very cool. Yep. Alright, let's put the frog over here. And now, please say hello to our friend, the squirrel. Cool. Did you know that squirrels can find food buried beneath a foot long of snow? They use their excellent sense of smell. That is very cool. They also have amazing memory and can remember where they buried 1,000 of nuts. Wow, that is very smart. Alright, let's put the squirrel over here. And now, please watch out for the powerful alligator. Hello, alligator. Do you know that alligator can live up to 50 years in the wild? Yeah, that is very cool. Alright, let's put the elevator over here. Elevator? It's alligator! What are you talking about? My bad, I'm sorry. Alright, and now I would like you to meet our friend, giraffe. Hello, giraffe. Do you know that giraffe have the same number of neck bones as humans? Yeah, just 7. But each one is super long. Wow! And their tongue can be up to 20-inch long. It's perfect for reaching for leaves in the tall trees. That is very cool. Alright, let's put the giraffe over here. And now, here's our friend, tiger. Hello, tiger. Tigers are a great swimmer and love water. They can swim for several kilometers. Cool. Alright, let's put the tiger over here. And now, please meet the giant elephant. Hello, elephant. Did you know that elephants have strong social bonds and can recognize themselves in the mirror, which is a sign of self-awareness. That is very cool. Alright, let's put the elephant over here. And now please say hello to our friend Hippo. Hello. Did you know that hippo can hold their breath underwater for up to 5 minutes? Wow, that is very cool. Alright, let's put the hippo over here. And finally, we have the slow and steady turtle. Hello, turtle. Do you know that some turtle can live for more than 100 years? Wow! And turtles have been around for more than 200 million years, even longer than dinosaurs. Wow, that's very cool. Alright, turtle, we'll see you soon. Let's put the turtle over here. Alright, we learned so many cool facts about our animal friends today. Which one was your favorite? Please let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun adventures. See you on the next time. Bye bye.